action. This is Elias in Enfield on Buzz. We've travelled all the way across London to see this, and I think he's a little bit excited. Hello. He's having a little snack of a tiger tail. Tiger, what's it called? It's actually called tiger stick. Tiger stick on Buzz. Don't push too much in your mouth, please. Tom, 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 Tom. Don't poke Buzz on the name. That's his name tag. Tom, 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 Tom. I'm so pleased. Hello, Buzz. And it's what? Spring Hill Farm. Buzz, have you got a twin called Scrambler? I think he's got a twin called Scrambler. Scrambler's gone to Sunflower Valley. Hello. This is Elias balancing on the side of a quad bike. How dangerous.